Guys, it's the absolute last day to register for the workshop on treatment planning at the World Implant Expo in Kochi. I hope to see you there. We're going to cover all kinds of treatment planning. It doesn't really have to be limited only to implants. We'll talk about general full mouth case treatment planning, single implant treatment planning, all kinds of difficult situations. We're going to look at, the diagnosis. We're going to look at the photographs. We're going to look at the scans, and we're going to decide how to treatment plan each and every single case for long-term sustainability and effectiveness of your treatment planning. For example, this patient may walk into your clinic and say that they want implants in the first quadrant over here, they want implants in this quadrant over here, and of course they're going to want a tooth replaced over here. How do you go about treatment planning such a collapsed bite? Is this something which you just straight away jump into implants or jump into a bridge and finish this case? Is it so easy? Do you have space for all of that? This is something that we need to examine. So I'm going to teach you how to get from here to a beautiful end result, which is also going to be very, very long lasting. Here you can see a lot of attrition and erosion of the teeth. The patient bruxes his teeth. He has GERD. We're going to talk about how those two interlink, interplay, and how it decides on a future treatment plan. And how do you get from here to here and do that in a way that isn't going to drive you crazy. We're going to go step by step, each and every single thing you need to consider before your handpiece or your drill touches a single tooth. And what about this case where you look at the pre-op photographs and you don't even know where to begin? You have no clue what are your reference points, where do we start, how do we treatment plan this case, how do we get that perfect smile, how do we get the functionality which the patient wants, how do we go from this to this? These are the things which we're going to cover in explicit detail. There are going to be a lot of cases. It's going to be a jam-packed workshop, and today is the absolute last day for you to sign up, and I do hope to see you in Kochi at the World Implant Expo. Till then, take care and have a nice day.